What's going on, guys? Right here we have the J-11 fighter jet, and I am very excited to give this guy a flight test today. And the whole focus of today's flight test is just to prove how versatile this plane is. Not only is it extremely cheap, like we discussed in the review, which I will link in the description below. This guy, if you can find it for the right price, you can find this guy for about $40, which is just simply amazing. It has flight stabilization. It's super easy to fly. We're flying at a baseball diamond right now, and to take this, use this as a reference, from home plate all the way down to the first base line to those trees is about 150 to 200 feet. So we don't exactly have a ton of room to fly, and then we have this little plot of the outfield out there. But it's not a whole ton of space to fly an airplane, but we're going to fly this guy out here, and I think it can do it. So let's give it a flight test. Alright guys, so we are ready to fly. Right here we have the plane, and we're going to take it off right now. We crashed. Another great thing about this plane is it is made of EPP foam, and it's extremely durable, so there shouldn't be any damage to the actual plane. Let's go take a look at it right now. Alright guys, here it is. As you can see, there is no damage to the plane whatsoever. Still in perfect brand new condition. So that is a great design that they have with this EPP foam. Very strong and very durable for crashes. Alright, here we go. Look at that, guys, we landed it. Very smooth first flight. Guys, still looking good. See, still working just fine. Let's go. Alright guys, so I was just about to end off this video, and I noticed something. When I crashed it, chipped the wing a little bit. As you can see, that one looks like that. That's crashed, and that is how it's supposed to look. Just, I I mean, it didn't really affect any performance, but I mean, it looks kind of weird now it's chipped like that. Maybe I could like get an X-Acto knife and like cut it off on an angle. You know what I'm saying? Like cut it on an angle and then do the same to this one. Maybe it'll look a little bit better, filled up with some paint. I don't know. Whatever. It's not a huge deal. I've been flying this guy a lot, and this is the only damage it's suffered, so it's done pretty well for me. I really enjoy this. I'll leave a link. All the links for everything is in the description, so go check that out. And thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.